Hello, and welcome back to another video on DealGo's Shipowner account features. I previously created an open position, and now I'm going to show more features about this module. Like vessels, each open position has a status. It can be either active, inactive, or contracted. To deactivate it, I toggle this button off. Now the position should appear on the map in the homepage. So I'll let Emily show it as a charterer.
Hello. As a charterer, I can now see the open position on the map. By clicking on it, and then on more details, I can then send a cargo mention using this button. When Roger receives it, he sends me a short firm offer if he's interested. Alternatively, I can find this open position in the search feed here. Back to Roger now.
Now if I want to check all the cargoes mentioned to this position, I either click on this number or go to more details. Then I click on mention cargo circulation list. Here, I choose any of these mentioned cargoes and send a short firm offer. Besides all the data I entered, details about the vessel are shown, as well as the position on the map. The Partner Companies button is for managing the company groups this position is intended for. Just like when creating an open position, I can create a group directly here. This is for toggling recommendation emails on or off. Like I mentioned in the previous video, those emails recommend cargo circulations that match with this position, if there are any. And that's everything for this module. In the next video, I'll be creating a short firm offer. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach us in the comments section if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.